Hey YouTube, I'm back with another video. But this video, I wanted to come and show a DIY that I been doing for a long time and I just now finished it. I started it November of last year and I just finished it. I just been busy with other things. I just I finally finished it. And so everything, I will leave you what you would need at the bottom. But what I end up doing, if you got somebody in your life, like a young lady, and she loves rocking her college, I think this will be a real good project. All you would need is a satin, polyester satin or actual satin sleepwear that has a top and bottom with lace detailing on it. You would need iron-on letters and an iron-on college logo. So first, I'm going to show you the bottoms. These are the back of the pants, and this is the front. And as you see, you got MSU. So yeah, let me sit back for a little bit, and you can see the actual pants. So those are the pants and thing. So yeah, those are the pants. And the pants, this sleepwear comes from let me think real quick. Comes from Amazon.com. I'll check and see if they still have it. But yeah. So then you have this one with the lace detailing. And like I said, I just did a simple DIY. This is a simple DIY any of y'all can do. So this is the back. And this is the, excuse me, and this is the top. And as you see the logo on it and everything. But if you want to see more on this particular look, you can check out my Instagram page, Alicia Burton 14. And it's a pretty good DIY. This is not a sponsored video. Everything is I purchased myself and did myself. I just thought of my sister because my sister went. This is where my sister went. Me, my mom, my dad always repped Mississippi State and thing because we are big Mississippi State Bulldogs, Mississippi Bulldogs. And things. So we rep them to the T. So they are a SEC team. So if you like this little DIY sleeping set with the college logo on it, please thumbs up this video, comment below, and subscribe.